Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. So I'm going to be doing a declutter of all of my concealers. I just did one for my correctors, and so this video should go up right after that. But these are all of the concealers that I own right now. There are 12 of them. Now, granted, some of these came in like a subscription bag, like the Boo Boo Cover-Up Cream, this Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Sand, the Smashbox one. Those three came from a subscription bag. I bought the majority of the rest of them. So as of right now, I've got two that I'm almost out of. So the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair and the Maybelline Age Rewind in Fair are almost, I mean, I'm doing pretty good progress-wise on them. They are down quite a bit from what they were. And my Makeup Revolution in C2 is almost empty as well. So I'm going to try and like focus on using these three up. So I've got these two and this one here. And you can see there's a line on this one. So I'm going to try and like use those three up instead of like getting rid of them. This one here, every time I've tried to use it on my skin, it has done nothing but burn my skin and cause irritation. And so I'm going to be getting rid of that one. This is a cream concealer that is from my line of cosmetics. It's just too dark for me. So I'm getting rid of that one. The Boo Boo Cover-Up, again, is just like the other two. It's too dark for me, so I can't use it. Plus, it's way too pink. So those three are going. And as of right now, these are all the ones that are staying. But I'm going to be working on panning, I guess you could say, the Maybelline Fit Me, the Age Rewind, and the Makeup Revolution. So hopefully I should be able to get those used up within the next month or so, and those three will be moving out of my collection. I could get rid of one of these. One of them is too pink for me, and I don't know. They're both supposed to be like a neutral undertone, but for whatever reason, I just can't get them to work for me. Just like the camera that won't focus. So I don't know, I can't like pass these on to somebody else to use as a concealer because it is a wand, and I don't want to like try and give something away or sell it that has already been used. But I don't really care for these, and this is like water going on the skin. This is the Smashbox Studio Skin. It's the right lightness to brighten under my eyes, but it's literally like super watery. And this is in Fair as well. So I've got C1 and C2 in NYX, and the one from Smashbox in Fair. So I will probably throw one of these three in my Shop My Stash for this month. Just trying to get some of those like gone through. So I'm really only wanting to like really technically keep these three because they work. This one I like, it's just almost empty. So it is what it is. So right now I have 12. I am getting rid of 3, and I will be trying to pan 3 as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy these like real quick declutter videos that I'm recording. I don't know, they take more thought than anything to go through the products and think about what I want to keep and what I want to get rid of, versus, you know, actually recording this part of it, because I do all that stuff beforehand, and I usually write down what I'm going to be getting rid of as well beforehand, so that stuff is already taken care of. So hopefully you guys enjoy these. If you do, give me a thumbs up, feel free to comment down below, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye.